Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the last installation of the crazy Zine collab that was hosted by Tellhimthanku Tina. And in the description box, in the description bar, you'll be able to see the other collaborators that are in this hop. And what we were supposed to do is make a zine, and the zine could be of anything that we like. So I'm going to show you the zine that I made for this month and tell you about the materials. And I will also show you my zine from last month, because I showed you last month, but I didn't make a copy of it. So I just want to show you how it turned out when I made my Xerox copy. And like I said, check out the other talented women that's in this collab. And they're fun to make, quick to make, easy to make, but you can do it so many different things. This was the one I had for last month. What makes it a zine is the word zine is short for magazine, and it's just basically the folds that you have. You can use different size paper. This is a traditional 8.5 by 11, and this piece right here wants to pop off. But anyway, it's nighttime, and it's so hard to get good lighting at nighttime. In the wintertime, it is the worst. But that was the one I did, and then this was the Xerox copy. I take mine to Office Max and I get a copy on this is semi-gloss magazine weight, and I love how they turn out. And I make copies for people that I start with, and also send some to my sister. So this is the last one. This was another Dollar Tree kit. I used my Dollar Tree stickers because I always buy them because I think they're cute, and then I don't use them, so I still have some more Dollar Tree ones that I bought for the Zine collab to get used up. So I may continue making some zines with those. But anyway, this was originally a white background, and I had ripped up some pieces of paper, gessoed it, and then I spritzed it with some gold shimmer and some green Honey Swaps mist. Then I went back and put some of these Dollar Tree kind of like a foam rubbery type dimensional sticker things. I ripped them up and just stuck them up there, and then I put some gold paint on top of it. Then I spritzed it with some black spray, and then I put the rubber foam dimensional stamp from the Dollar Tree up there, and glued down a couple of wood veneers and some resin beads, and called it a day. So really, it's not a theme per se. It was just, look at that glare. I just hate the lighting. See if it's too much light, it's too bright. I don't know if it's better to see. But and that's how it looks. And of course, it's slit down the middle. And so this is my first one with, can you see that? So it's a half a butterfly and the word play. It's so shadowy. You would think I would know how to do this. I studied photography, and I swear to God, that was one thing I cannot remember how to do lighting. That's the other half of the butterfly. I can do it with camera, I cannot do it with lights. That's the dumbest thing. This bird, but it's also where I'm sitting at. I can't control that. It's perfume and dress form. It's a little button and a milk jug and a flower with a butterfly. These are so dark. And then that one says fresh, and this little rose. So there are the dimensional pages to my zine. Again, then this is it printed. And what you do is, the easiest way to fold a zine, just fold it that way real quick, lengthwise, fold it that way, and then you're gonna fold it again. You're not being very precise. Of course, you go over this with your phone for it. Take your time, measure it out. Now, to cut it, just fold it back in half, your regular half, and you're gonna cut to the first fold line. There's other ways people use, you know, snipping it down the middle and all that. That's more complicated. That's the easiest way to do it. But then you got to work the paper. So, because like this is not folded the opposite way. That's my computer telling me what time it is in Hebrew. Anyway, so this is the first page. I love the dimension because the dollar store stickers are really thick. This, I mean, if you see the foam on the side of that, how thick that is. So when you Xerox it, you can kind of see that dimension. It's just, yeah. So I like how it shows up. So that's just basically it. That's my zine in a nutshell. So check out the ladies. Thanks for watching. And I do dare you to be creative and challenged to make a zine if you haven't made one. So you can make it however you want to, but it's like basically 8 pages that you decorate. So, and this was free to do at ATC, Artist Trading Card, if you do those. An iCAD or IC, index card, or index card a day is what they used to call them. But it's just, you know, a pocket letter. If you do pocket letters, you know, they're the same size. Well, it's a little taller. But you can make these. So it's real easy, real fun. Good way to use some stickers and any kind of scraps, because you can put anything on it. And you can be very elaborate or very deliberate. But again, like dollar store stickers again. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.